when someone gets a glimpse of Buddha nature, does he or she need to put sustained effort or constant effort uh, to sustain that nature through meditation or being aware of it? Or does it get back to square one if we've failed to put in an effort to sustain it?
Yeah, but that need to put effort. That one, Longchenpa has clearly said that, even if you have recognized that, then you still need to safeguard that. For example, he uses that it's like a child lost in the battlefield. So all those, bullets are coming around, and then you have to kind of find a way to stay safe. And then in our how to say, the terminology too is saying that ngosheva, because three stages of the practice, how you develop. So first you need to recognize, and after the recognition, then you have to tell Dzogpa is how to say that now you have to train yourself to perfect it. And after that, then you have to then you reach the stage of stability. So just recognition can happen, but then definitely we have to, you have to put effort to remain in that state. Otherwise, then we can easily fall back to our samsaric habits, ordinary habits. Mm-hmm.